welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My channel is all about Mandarin Chinese and focuses on writing in traditional Chinese characters. It is the second video about Mandarin Chinese numbers. In the previous episode, we wrote from 0 to 4. So this week, it is from 5 to 9. They all have different characters, not simply horizontal lines as 1, 2, and 3.
1、2、3
I'm going to show you how to write them. They are 5、6、7、8、9.
Before we start writing from 5 to 9, I want to share with you some tips on how to write Chinese characters. They are from top to down, from left to right, from outside to inside, and the last stroke will end the square. Let's jump into practice so that you'll know what I'm talking about. 5 is our first example. We follow the rules from left to right and top to down. To write Chinese characters beautifully, we also pay attention to balance. Imagine a square with a cross inside and try to make the left and right or top and down balanced. This rule applies to simple, fewer strokes characters. Liu, 6. Imagine a vertical line in the center, and we make the first stroke in the center, while the last two balance on the left and right side. It looks like a chair to me. Only when the legs are balanced, it is functional. Qi, 7. Also applies to the same rules. The first stroke is from left to right, with a little bit of slope. The second stroke in the center makes it balanced and also pays attention to its length. The right part is almost the same as the first stroke. 8. Easy to remember. It's basically a mustache. Again, the left and the right parts are balanced. Do you know how to say father in Mandarin Chinese? Father is 爸, and the pronunciation is similar to 八. Father's Day in Taiwan is 8th August. 8月8日. When's Father's Day in your country? Welcome to leave comments and share with us. The last Chinese character is 9, 9, divided into 3 vertically, and it would help you to make the structure better. The shape of 9 reminds me of Lapras, Laplace in Pokemon, and I hope it will help you to memorize 9. It's the end of this week, and do you enjoy it? Let's check them again. They are 5、 6、7、8、9. Would you please tell me which character you like the most and why? We'll write 10 and other bigger numbers next week. If you find my channel useful, welcome to subscribe. See you again next week.